Massive Audio have been creating car audio products since 1999. They have built a reputable name for themselves with subwoofer series such as the HIPPO and SUMO lineup. Today I am very excited to have a member of the HIPPO series to review and give you guys an honest opinion on its build quality and its performance. I first began the SPL test by testing at box tuned frequency. Off camera, I discovered that my cabin actually peaks at 46 Hertz. And to keep things fair, I will be testing each subwoofer at the same frequency. American Bass is a household name in the audio industry. They are time-tested, proven themselves as one of the leaders in car audio. And it was because of these facts that I was more than happy when you guys suggested the XFL. Many of us in the car audio industry already know the XFL is oversized. This oversized basket will require you to build a custom gasket if attempting to load it in prefab enclosures. To remedy this, I went to my local big box store and picked up a few sheets of 3/4 inch styrofoam. I figured that this would help me get the job done, and it worked just as I expected it to. I was first introduced to TORO Tech in the spring of 2020. Its industrial finish and rib surround reminded me of the American Bass XFL-12. And as some of you already know, I named that speaker Best SPL Subwoofer of the Year. So after watching a few reviews of the TORO subwoofers, I knew I wanted one here on the channel. And today, I am very excited to have a member of the Force series to review and give you guys an honest opinion on quality. you are enjoying this video and would like to learn a little bit more about how to simplify car audio, please consider clicking that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so let me explain a few things about what just happened here. First of all, 90% of you guys voted that the XFL would take the title against these two competitors. And in a particular way, some may say that it kinda did. But as a content creator here on this channel, my job is to simplify your audio experiences by taking what seems complicated and relaying it to you in plain English. I believe that most of the votes for the XFL was based upon brand recognition and loyalty, as it should be, with a company that's been around for over a third of a century. But the truth of the matter is this: the TORO Force 12S is a solidly built SPL subwoofer in which few in the community has ever heard of. But let's be honest about some things. Its X-Max, sensitivity, and QTS rating closely matches that of the XFL, and in some instances would be more preferable than that of the XFL. And despite being tested far from its suggested frequency or box tuning, it still defeated the American Bass. Looking at the spec sheets, one may think that the XFL was a little bit out of its league. I mean, after all, it does come in at 500 watts short of its competitor's RMS rating, and it's nowhere near the weight and magnet. But what the XFL lacks in pure power, it does make up elsewhere. For example, the XFL has a lower FS, which promotes a wider frequency response, and it also has a larger basket equaling greater surface area, enhancing SPL. However, after running these tests, I did feel like I was being unfair to the HIPPO and Force 12S. I mean, testing in an enclosure over 15 Hz below recommended tuning really isn't the proper way to do this. Which is why I will be building a new enclosure and conducting this competition again. So the questions become, will the XFL do as great a job in an enclosure built for its competitor? Will the HIPPO XL-12 use this second chance to redeem itself to the community? Or will the TORO force another underdog victory as the new SPL kid on the block? Thanks for visiting the channel to help you simplify car audio. It's the Budget Bass Head, and I'm out.